Hello, Sundari. Today's video is going to be all about natural everyday lipsticks that you can wear without any makeup on your face. This is my bare face, and these are the new pimple marks I'm about to show you. Yep, these two. I just have sunscreen on, and these are my bare lips. Let's go. The first lipstick that I want to talk about is the Colorbar color in Stunt. This is a beautiful neutral shade that is actually neutral. This is gonna go well with people that have cool undertone as well as warm undertone. It is very beautiful in terms of formulation. It doesn't really feel weird on your lips. It feels very light and has crazy amounts of pigments. However, it is not transfer proof, so just keep that in mind. The second shade is the Maybelline Enjoy the View. This as well is matte. The color of it, however, is quite peachy as compared to the last one. I think this will work really well with every skin tone, but this is a bit more poppy than the last one. I love the way it feels on the lips. It is extremely light. If you really hate sticky lipsticks, try this one out. It's not crazy matte, doesn't really feel that sticky on the lips at all, but it is again not transfer proof, just a soft matte. It looks so pretty though. The third is Lakme's Nude Hit. Now this lipstick is a matte lipstick, okay? This goes on beautifully. The shade, however, is extremely bright. I know you would think Nude Hit would be very baseline, but this is definitely brighter than any nude I've seen. And the formula of this goes from sticky on your lips and then becomes completely matte. I wouldn't suggest this for people that have dry lips though. This is a beautiful shade, works beautifully on my skin. But if you have dry lips, stay away from it. So initially it is not transfer proof, but just give it about 2 to 3 minutes. When it dries up, it becomes completely transfer proof. The next color is the Maybelline Sensationally Me. This is one of those beautiful shades that I think will work for everyone. It is definitely lighter in color than the last one, but it is more baseline, if that makes any sense. I love the application of this. I love how natural it looks on me. Also, this formula is absolutely beautiful. So light, so beautiful to wear. This is not completely matte, so this will work with you even if you have dry lips, because this is not completely matte. This beautiful formula, sadly again, is not transfer proof, but it's a beautiful shade though. It will come off, however, but it's a beautiful shade though, so it's okay. The last is Nykaa's Staycation. Now I know this is not a neutral shade, but this is such a beautiful shade. When you swipe it, you can make it a tiny bit neutral when you dab this on your lips. I know on my lips it looks very bright, but I feel like this color will work mostly on every single skin tone. It looks very natural when you do dab it rather than swiping it. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this color looks by swiping it, and it's a beautiful formula. I really like how it feels on my lips. It does feel luxurious. It definitely makes me feel like I'm on a staycation, okay? It's a beautiful color. However, yet again, not transfer proof. This is actually one of the most transferring lipsticks I've ever got. But it's just so pretty. I can't. That's about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you have any other further questions, definitely follow me on Instagram right here. And that's about it. Bye.